Hey everyone, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel. This video I'm going to be showing you a tutorial using the Morphe James Charles palette. I was inspired to use like this shade right here, so I'm going to be doing a look with that. So let's get started. Also, please excuse my dry skin. Wintertime really makes my skin super dry. Anyways, we're going to start. Of course, I've already primed my eyelids with an eyeshadow primer. I'm going to start with the shade B and put that in the crease. I'm kind of going to do a halo eye, so we'll see how that goes. Next, I'm going to take the shade Social Blade and put that pretty much right below the yellow. Next, I'm just going to blend and add a bit more yellow. Next, I'm going to take the shade Daddy and put that in the lower crease area. I did add a bit more of Social Blade off camera, but now I'm going to add some of the shade Cola to the outer and inner corner. And maybe slightly into the crease. I'm going to add a bit more of the shade Daddy in the middle up here. I added a bit more of the shade Cola and I'm just going to blend above again. Next, I'm going to take the shade Cape Cod on my finger and put that on the middle of my lid. I'm going to add a little bit of the shade Hello in the middle. Next, I'm going to take the shade Cola for the lower lash line. Also going to put a bit of the shade Daddy below that. And lastly, I'm going to take the shade Ring Light as my inner corner highlight. I applied mascara and cleaned up under the eyes. So this is the finished look. Okay, so that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed this look. If you would like to see more eyeshadow tutorials, I will link my playlist in the cards. I really enjoy makeup and nails, so if you're interested in that, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!